Hi everyone. Welcome back to Gear Dollar Grips, where we bring you the latest updates and insights from the automotive world. Today, we have a very special car to talk about, the 2025 Maruti Suzuki Alto 800. This car has been an iconic name in the Indian market, known for its affordability, practicality, and reliability. Let's dive into the details and see what the new version has to offer. First, let's talk about the design. The 2025 Alto 800 has received a subtle yet noticeable makeover. It looks more modern, with sharper headlights, a redesigned front grille, and an overall sleeker profile. The bumpers are now sportier, and the side profile is clean with just the right amount of character lines. At the rear, the new tail lamps and a slightly more prominent bumper give it a fresh appeal while still retaining its compact charm. Now, moving to the engine and performance. The Alto 800 is powered by an improved 796 cubic centimeters 3-cylinder petrol engine, which is now BS6 Phase 2 compliant. It delivers a peppy 47.3 PS of power and 69 Nm of torque. While it's not a car designed for high-speed thrills, it's perfect for city commuting and occasional highway drives. The lightweight build ensures a nimble driving experience, making it super easy to maneuver through tight city streets and traffic. And let's not forget the impressive fuel efficiency. It offers around 25 km per liter, making it one of the most economical options out there. Inside the cabin, you'll find a simple yet functional layout. The dashboard has been slightly updated with a more modern look. The infotainment system now includes a touchscreen with smartphone connectivity, which is a big plus for tech-savvy buyers. The seats are comfortable, and while space remains compact, it's more than sufficient for a small family. Boot space is adequate for weekend trips or grocery runs, staying true to its role as a practical city car. Safety has also been improved in this model. The Alto 800 now comes with dual airbags, ABS with EBD, rear parking sensors, and a seatbelt reminder for both front passengers. Maruti Suzuki has ensured the car meets the latest safety norms, which adds peace of mind for buyers. Now, the best part, the price. The 2025 Maruti Suzuki Alto 800 starts at just 3.69 Indian rupees lakh, ex-showroom, for the base variant, going up to 5.15 Indian rupees lakh for the top-end model. This pricing makes it one of the most affordable cars in India, catering to first-time car buyers, small families, and anyone looking for a budget-friendly, low-maintenance vehicle. So, who should buy the Alto 800? If you're looking for a reliable, economical, and easy-to-drive car that doesn't compromise on basic features, the Alto 800 is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for city driving and offers unmatched value for money. That's it for today's review. What do you think about the 2025 Maruti Suzuki Alto 800? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Gear Dollar Grips for more such content. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, drive safe and take care.